Welcome to our full guide on how to remove a story from a highlight on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page where your highlights are located. Next, select the specific highlight from which you want to remove a story. Within the highlight, tap on Add New at the bottom of the screen to access the editing options. Locate the video or photo that you wish to remove from the highlight, then unmark it by tapping on the selection. After unmarking the desired video or photo, tap on Save to confirm and apply the changes, removing the selected content from the highlight. By following these steps, you can easily manage and customize the content within your highlights on Facebook, ensuring your profile reflects the stories you want to showcase. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to remove a story from a highlight on Facebook. Keep your highlights curated and tailored to your preferences by making adjustments as needed.